Well, good afternoon, or shall I say good evening, Freedom Cruisaholics family. How are you doing?
She feeling real good, can't you tell?
Because I'm a what?
Doing too much.
Cruisaholic.
I don't call it out. Doing too much. Y'all welcome everybody.
Yes,
back,
welcome.
y'all.
Pay me no mind, but maybe you should. If you're not feeling as good as I am, honey,
Too
where
many
are
of
you
those.
living?
Too many of those.
We are living, honey, and that is what we're supposed to be doing, living and having a good time. How are you?
This is true.
How are you, honey?
I feel good.
Good.
I feel good. I'm grateful. I'm thankful to see another beautiful day that the Lord has made.
Yes, in
I
what
said
year?
that the Lord has made, and I'm drinking at the same time. I'm still grateful and I'm thankful. The Lord knows me.
2020.
God is good, y'all.
Yes, He
we made it
is.
to another year.
Let me tell you what my little glass say. It says, either give me more wine or leave me alone. 2020, you better stop playing, honey.
So she's drinking something else right now because she done drunk all the wine.
All the
we
wine
need to
is
get some
gone.
more.
When they make a glass, honey, when it becomes empty, what you supposed to do? Fill it. Welcome back to our channel.
y'all.
Welcome back to our channel. If you have never visited our channel before, make sure that you hit that notification bell so that you can get notified when we upload our next coming videos.
Subscribe to our
You
channel.
better
y'all.
do that thing. Subscribe. Subscribe. He better stop playing, honey. He better stop playing. Look at here. We are on here because what are we doing representing Carnival Cruise Line? Because that's who we cruise with. And we just want to tell you, Carnival is doing their thing. We are proud to be a part of their family, their traveling family. And we like to see them doing so many great things. And they have been for a while trying to get more environmental safe, if you will. Helping out different countries. We spoke to you one time on one of our other videos that you can find in our list of videos down below, where they were helping countries by donating soaps from all over and deposit them to those needy countries. They were working with an organization to help do that. So we were so proud of that. We did work and donate soaps when we traveled on our cruises this year.
Yep, make sure we left that.
That was a great thing. And we want you guys to also, if you cruise with Carnival, to help them and join in the movement of helping to make our environment great. We were just reading Carnival Cruise Line. They are trying to do away with all of their plastic, all their single-use plastic. That is another thing that they're doing to help to better our environment. So kudos to Carnival Cruise Line. Yes. And also kudos to our travel agent, Miss Esther Brewster. We miss you, girl. We are doing it. We are doing it. Esther Brewster, she has been our travel consultant for the last 10 years, almost 11 years. And we absolutely love her. So kudos to you, and we miss you. What they're doing right now is they are replacing their single-use straws.
Yes, they are. Actually, it's gonna be now. You're gonna be using stainless steel straws, silicone straws, or the edible straws. And so on our last vacation, my wife actually used the edible straw. So what do you think about that, babe?
I like the edible straw. I like the edible everything.
Okay.
He get a little nervous.
All right,
but yes, the straw was actually great. At first, I didn't know that it was an edible straw. Crazy me, but I had drink package, so I had a couple on board already. It was a little bit thick, so I did notice the difference in the straw. I just didn't know it was edible at the time when I first got it. My mother-in-law actually got the first one, and she was just over there having a good time with the straw. Keep it clean. She was having a good time with the straw, and I said, well, what kind of straw is that she working with over there? So I went to the bar and got one, and it was actually very great. It paired well. I had a Miami Vice, and then I also had a kiss on the lips. The edible straw is made out of a sugar content, and right now, since they're doing away with the single-use straws, the edible straws will come with all of the milkshakes as well as all of the frozen drinks. Mm-hmm. Those drink beverages, since they're cold, they're going to keep that straw cold and the texture it needs to be so that you can enjoy your drink. But it was absolutely great.
I mean, I'll try it next time, you know. I mean, it's something different, but I'll try it. As far as the other options you're going to have, it's going to be, baby, this is going to be starting, I guess, soon, like sometime in 2020.
The edible straws, they're already here.
Okay.
They started earlier this year. So we went on our cruise in August, and they were on the ship then. But when we went in April of 2019, it wasn't on the ship yet. But by the time we got on the ship in August of 2019, the edible straws were there. Carnival Cruise Line, since it being a big organization, of course, they buy their supplies in bulk. So what they're doing is they're going to utilize up all of the inventory that they have, and any purchases made forward will be things that are biodegradable. Like my husband said, you're going to have an option to purchase. Now, there's 2 of them that you had to purchase. Let me just say that.
I'm going to go over that.
You want to go over there?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Okay. Yep. So it is going to either be the stainless steel straws, which is going to come in a pack of 4. And the straw package is going to be 4. I mean, it's going to be 4 straws, and it's going to be $5. And it's going to actually come with a brush. So I think that's good. I mean, you can.
It's reusable.
Yeah, reusable. I'm looking. We're gonna get one, and I'm looking forward to getting the stainless steel ones, and we can just pack it and have it every time we go on a trip. We got the brush to clean it. I mean, I think that's cool.
My overnight bag stays packed. I have an overnight bag just for cruising. It stays packed.
Yeah.
So, you know, if that's something that you do and you cruise a lot or you travel a lot, put it in your overnight bag.
Exactly. And if this is a new rule or something that they're doing now to better, you know, we're gonna follow it, and I don't mind us getting the stainless steel
and $5 is good.
Yeah,
for 4 straws.
You got 4 of them. You got a brush, got a little container. You know,
it comes with in a little plastic carrier, and you might hear someone say, "Well, if they're trying to get rid of all the plastic, why are they putting the straws in a plastic container?" Come on, people. It has to go somewhere, but you know, a straw, if it's thrown out into the ocean, it can cause a lot of damage to the sea life. So, you know, just keeping that in mind. It's a work in progress. So it is packaged in a cardboard box. It's inside of a cardboard box, and inside the cardboard box in a plastic enclosure is 4 stainless steel straws, 2 red and 2 blue, as well as a cleaning brush. I think $5 for 4 stainless steel straws is absolutely great, because they're usually a little bit higher and you only get 2 of them.
Yeah, so it's cool. I mean, we're gonna try it out.
And they're small enough to hang on your lanyard. If you get a lanyard, so that you can, it's not bulky, so you don't have to worry about, you know, I gotta tote this around with me and stuff like that. Nothing like that. And the other one, what was the other one?
The other one, we got the silicone straws. Those are $4, and it comes with a brush and also a container.
Okay.
So I believe this is gonna be 1 silicone on that one.
Yeah, straw. I think and it comes like in something like a little. It's smaller than this, of course, ladies and gentlemen, but it comes in like a little container, a cup-like container, that it folds up. So that's great.
Yeah. So
and it's $4.
Yeah. So you can either
non-disposable.
Yeah. So you can roll with the edible ones, you know. Like I said, my wife tried it. She liked it. It was cool.
I drink, and I be biting into as my drink going down, my straw be going down.
Hey, try it out. You know, it sounds good. So
yeah,
you know,
you might ask for a couple of them just to be taken while you're in the casino or something like that. You know, you might want to have a little something sweet to eat on, but you don't want to drink.
Start nibbling on a straw bag.
You know, just walking down the walkway, just chewing on your straw. It's sweet.
My baby said you might want something to snack on. You know,
something to snack on. You know,
the straw.
like sweet tarts or something. Because I definitely would. You know, I made that statement because I would do that.
Hey,
I would do that. You
Kill
know,
2 birds with 1 stone. You got something to smack onto, and you got a straw to drink out of when you want to.
I mean, I don't smoke weed, but if I'm on the ship drinking or something, that's my munchie. I'm gonna munch on that damn straw. It's edible.
Hey, eat the straw.
Eat the damn straw, anime.
Y'all, I'm sorry, we tripping.
Yes, we are tripping. But you know, let's keep Carnival Cruise Line coming out of our mouth, because they're doing some amazing things. And like I said, that's just one of the things that they're doing. And we are hoping to see some of you on the cruise ship sometime.
We see you, yeah.
Yes, we mentioned in our last video we're going to be doing a piggyback cruise in August, where we'll be on the ship half a month. I know we would love to see somebody that watches our channel on the ship, because we ran into a couple when we first started our cruise channel that knew who we were. And we were like, what?
I said, hey, we just starting out.
We just started out. But we want to see you guys on there. We're going to be doing so many different things to incorporate our cruise family. And we just want to join you. We want you to join us.
Exactly.
All right?
All right, y'all. So that's all for this video. We just wanted to bring you a little information about the new straws and them getting rid of the plastic. And y'all, let's not complain, you know. There's always going to be some kind of changes. Let's just roll with it. Make the best of it, you know. Because
their changes will not make or break your vacation.
Nope.
Now, someone mentioned, if you are a platinum or diamond member, how would you like to be able to have the option of getting those straws, if you get the drink package, to have those straws, either the silicone or the stainless steel? You get to check the choice of your choice to see which one that you want delivered to your stateroom. Wouldn't that be a great gesture for Carnival to give one or the other of those types of straws if you get the drink package?
That would be cool. Yeah, it just comes with
it. It comes with your package.
I mean, yeah, I think that would be a great idea.
I think that would be a great idea. I think Carnival should entertain that. They should, take the suggestions of their most frequent cruisers and listen to their people. They're listening to their people.
Yep.
Because we have another video coming up, and we're not going to mention it, and we're not going to give it away, but we have another change that Carnival is partaking, is happening the middle of this month, January, but we'll be doing that video, and you should see that coming soon.
Yep. Y'all, subscribe to our channel. Hit that like button. Y'all, we appreciate it. And we'll talk to y'all later.
See you on the Lido.